Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the orange and then green line here are coming from. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of both of these. They've served their purpose for the time being, but they're not necessarily relevant right now. And I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's annotations everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the biggest updates that occurred today, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below. So going into today, that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, would definitely have been considered a level of support. And then because of the gap down below it, at that point, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that played out almost perfectly. The price went slightly above it, but then after that, that's where the price continued to then get rejected and pull further and further downwards. So the newest and near-term level of resistance going into Wednesday, now going to be right there at the $22 mark, which is, again, is the value of that pink line there, which on my chart is denoting that, very well-known 200 period simple moving average. If the price can push up through there, the next key level of resistance would just be the little brother of the 200 period. You have the 50 period moving average, and that's currently valued at 22.72. So again, near-term level of resistance, 200 period moving average. Next level after that, 50 period moving average as far as the resistance areas are concerned. Now, what about levels of support going forward? Got to squeeze down the chart for this. Current level to keep an eye on, and nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of, where the bleeding stopped today. And that was finally down there at $20.75. $20.75 is important because if that level doesn't hold up, then while there's no such thing as a guarantee, at that point, it would not be shocking to see the price head down to $20.15, if not even lower than that. That is where you can have these previous lows back here. You can see quite a bit of price history right around that area. But like I said, to give full credit credit's due, so far so good. Not only did that level hold, but actually produced a nice little bounce to the upside. So maybe this is some sort of bottom. But if it doesn't and the price breaks down through that level, then yeah, 2015 probably going to be not too far away in terms of the next area the price could head to. But yeah, a very brutal move compared to where the gap up was just on Monday. But it is what it is. So we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.